Well, hi everyone. I just wanted to cover off on a little side project that I've got going on here. Some time ago I ordered a Raspberry Pi to actually load my 3D printing software on so that I could just leave the printer running downstairs with the Raspberry Pi rather than having to leave a PC with it all the time and things like that. The good thing about the software that I'm running on it is I can actually run a camera on it. So as it's printing, I can call it up using a web browser and see how the printer's going. One trouble, the printer is actually installed downstairs in the garage at the workbench, and I don't tend to leave the lights on when I leave the garage. So it's not overly handy being able to have a look and see how the printer's going via a camera when you can't actually see anything when the lights are off. So I've come up with a little project which is using an ESP01 Wi-Fi module, which I will use to turn on a LED array and illuminate the print area. Now, the ESP01 actually has two general purpose outlets on it, so I thought, well, why not allow me to turn the power off the Raspberry Pi and the printer as well if I call it up and there's a problem and it's got just filament going everywhere. So this little project is basically that, just creating a Wi-Fi switch. Today I just want to cover off on the schematic. It's very simple, won't take too long, so let's take a look at it right now. Okay, so let's have a look at the circuit diagram for this little Wi-Fi switch. There's not a whole lot to it. In the top zone here we have the actual power supply, which is just using a 3-terminal regulator to give us 3.3 volts DC that we need for the ESP01, a couple of capacitors for decoupling, and then down here we have the actual ESP01 module. Again, very little to this. We're using the two general purpose outlets which are brought across to a couple of PNP transistors, which one of them is used to switch the 3.3 volts power to a little LED array. This will actually be used to illuminate the printer, and the other transistor is just driving a solid state 240 volt relay. So that's it. Very, very simple. All the smarts is really going to be in the code side of it. So that's that. Okay, I was hoping to have some breadboard testing done with the module today as well. However, I've had all sorts of trouble with the operating system upgrade on the Macs, so it's going to delay it a day or two. However, as soon as we can get that testing out of the way, we'll get into construction and get this little project finished, and I'll be able to just log into my printer and see how it's printing from anywhere. Okay, if you like what I'm doing with these videos, then please subscribe to my channel, and also if you like this video, obviously just hit the tick. Okay, cheers.